Good morning again. This is Dejene. I'm talking about agrobiodiversity supports agroecological farming in Africa again. Same topic as yesterday. The project sites are already described. I'm not going to discuss, but here we have identified different agroecological practices in the case study countries like Ethiopia to Burkina Faso. As you see, the range of agroecological practices range from 9 to 14. And these agroecological practices are heavily dependent on biodiversity that the communities possess. And the key message that our synthesis derived for practitioners is that agrobiodiversity is a key player in establishing and implementing practicing agroecological practices in Africa. Hence, the protection and the sustainable use of this agrobiodiversity resource is very important to sustainably implement or transit the existing farming system into agroecological practices. So the critical linkage created between agrobiodiversity and agroecological practices should be maintained. And we have to work towards that in order to transit our farming system smoothly. And for that, knowing the existing diversity and its protection is very critical. So at different levels, understanding of the diversity we have from the crop, from livestock, and the soil biota, soil fauna is very important to sustain our system. And the contribution of cultivated as well as wild plants into agroecological practice is very, very important. So basically, agroecology that utilizes agrobiodiversity ensures reliability of productivity or production, increase farm income, and improves household health through improving their diets. Use of less chemicals. This contribute to the environmental benefits stocking, and also it ensures households to access better food and diversified food at the end of the day. So for this reason, conservation of and protection of agrobiodiversity is very important. There are determinants that determine the adoption of agrobiodiversity in agroecological practice. One is the socio-economic factor, actually. As you can see in the graph, there are different diversities that contribute significantly for the implementation of agroecological practices. Mostly, we have identified vegetables, orchards, trees, cultivated trees are the major contributors, significant ones. Also, cereal diversity, pulses diversity, as well as livestock diversity plays a crucial role in that. And the socioeconomic factors, there are points on the level of the family. Family level is very important in maintaining these diversities, also in incorporating. Education of the practicing households also contributes to the utilization of agrobiodiversity in agroecological practices, with both positive and negative aspects according to the level of the education. And the land size and the like are very important. And this one is a study from Kenya case where we have identified indicators for adoption or not adoption of agroecological practices by farmers. And farmers are mostly interested in ensuring food security, family health, soil quality, reliability of production, and also increasing their income when they opt to adopt agroecological practices. And these all are basically depend on agrobiodiversity. If you diversify their farm, their food security is ensured, because diversification is one way of adapting to risks, particularly in the era of climate change. Family health, if family consume diversified food, their health will be ensured. So these are all related to agrobiodiversity one way or another. The last message that I want to convey to the general public is that mainstreaming agrobiodiversity into the different projects of agroecology is very important to ensure the benefits that we are talking about. And thank you very much for that listening.